Hi friends, so today I've got my son Henry with me and he's going to help us make a timeline. Henry, what is a timeline?
A timeline is when you have a bunch of things and you put them together and make them into one thing.
So do we just put everything in any order we want, or does it have to be a specific thing, specific order?
So what it's going to be like is you put your young things and then your old things.
So it has to be in order of when they're created?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So what we're doing, since we're in the baby unit, is we created a bunch of things that on this table that we can put in a timeline from Henry's life. So he's 9, so he's gonna maybe have more things, but if you just wanna grab 4 to 5 things or even less, that's okay. So the first thing we did is we got out his baby blanket to be kind of like our palette here. We wanted to have something colorful. This is a quilt that was made for him. It's got a bunch of H's on it, lowercase and uppercase H's. And then I took a piece of masking tape and I pulled a big piece out and I put it on the baby blanket, just like that. Now I'm gonna use a washable marker just in case. I don't want to get anything on this quilt, but also you could just do this on a table or on another piece of paper. So we have all these things on the table. What should we start with? What do you think, Henry, is the youngest or the oldest thing on this table?
This photo, because it's when I was almost born.
That's right. So this is a picture of him when he was just born. So I'm going to put it right here as number 1. Okay? Yeah. Now, what should be number 2?
Well, this is a photo of me when I was 3, but I got
not 3. This is a picture of you when you were about 2, maybe a little younger.
But this I got when I was like 1.5. So
okay, so all right, this is a very loved monkey that Henry got hand-me-down from his big brother Les. So we'll put that is number 2. Okay. Now number 3 then would be the picture of him in the construction hat, and we're going to put a 3 here. Okay. Now we've got some older items. We have a ukulele, a Pokemon card pack, and a soccer trophy. Henry, where do you think the next thing should go?
When I first got into Pokemon, here.
You think so?
Yeah.
So that would be, you want to write it? Number
4.
Okay, go ahead. All right. Now what's next? Soccer or ukulele?
I got this when I was 7.
Okay.
I got into music when I was like a little after Pokemon, I think. So I'm going to put this here.
Okay, so we're going to put that as number
5.
5. Now you see, we've kind of run out of room here. So a lot of the things you might want to use are small, but this is also another thing you could do. Instead of using the actual items, you could get out a piece of paper and draw your items. You could do it on one piece of paper and draw all your different items, or you could have different pieces of paper. There's many different ways. What's your idea, Henry?
Well, we could get a little of tape and put it right here.
Okay, you're right. So sometimes I guess timelines can change. So we'll add a piece of tape here. And this is number 6. And 6 is his soccer trophy he got last year. And right now he's still really into soccer. So this is, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things on his timeline. Okay, friends, I'd love to see what you guys can do with your timeline of your baby and your preschool items, okay? Bye for now.